Subscribe to our channel Career Tutorial and press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about a very important examination about which a lot of persons do not know. So without any delay, let's begin this video. So friends, that examination is CIPET examination about which I am going to talk in this video. Actually, this examination is conducted at the national level to take the admission in different UG, PG and diploma courses in the different plastic engineering colleges which is set up by our government of India. And earlier the institute has its name, that is Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology, and these days actually new name is Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology. So this is the autonomous body set up by Government of India under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Its main aim is to create or develop the human resources in the field of chemicals, plastic, polymers and different type of things, because we all are surrounded by plastics and the utility of this plastic is very important, and there is also the need of research and development to do a lot of innovation, like creating some biodegradable plastics or replace the single use plastic. This type of things are required in this modern time, and these institutes are helping in those sectors of research and development. That's why this is important, but a lot of person don't know about this. That's why I am making this video, and I am just wanting to give you the knowledge about this college, and you must take also interest, because a lot of person thinks of doing engineering but don't know about this plastic engineering. That's why I am just telling you about this. There is a lot of colleges under the CIPET, and all those offer a lot of courses like diploma, UG and PG courses, and I am just going to tell you about those courses in the brief. That is Diploma in Plastic Mold Technology. It is a diploma courses and you can do after class 10th or 12th, and there is also one diploma courses in Diploma in Plastic Technology. These two courses you can do after class 10th and 12th, but you must have science stream in class 12th for doing these courses. Along with that, after UG you can also do the PG program, that is PG in Plastic Processing and Testing, and another is Post Diploma in Plastic Mold Design. Actually both these courses are carried out after doing your graduation, and the later one you can do it after if you have the diploma courses in different like mechanical, plastic production, automobile and this type of diploma. If you have already done, that is a minimum of 3 years, then you can apply at this diploma course in this plastic engineering. And the utility and the job is also very good kind of things, because placement is also good. That's why I am talking about. Lot of person don't know, and but this is the sector where its advancement or its implication is widely in the coming generations and coming futures. That's why you must take interest and you must know about this. This is the link where you can check out to know more about this, that is cipet.gov.in, and a lot of things you can reveal and also share to whomever needs to do something entirely different from what the mainstream of the society is following or doing. And lastly, talking about the exam pattern, it is computer based test consisting of 100 MCQ questions prescribed for 2 hours examination. It is a national level examination conducted once in a year to take its admission, I have already told. And after you get the qualify, you just can take the admission in different, there is a lot of colleges in our country in the different states under this CIPET system. And also the syllabus, lastly talking about it, there is nothing very much heavy, that is general things and GK, general awareness, and simple things will be like all other examinations, aptitude or this type of things may come. And if you are really interested or you want to do something different from any other one, then you can check it out if you have interest, and you can also share to whoever requires this type of things to know and the videos. And if you really like, then share to your friends and family as well. And if you are new, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips at the very first. And thanks for watching the video. All the best, guys.